Hi you guys, it's
Hey
Gabby
guys.
and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can do your screen. Oh, I forgot something. So we have a special guest. Her name is Kenny L. But her real
What?
name is McKenna. But you should go check out her channel, Kenny L. She is the one with the cool face or weird face, and then with the little cat. Okay? Is
Okay.
that better?
Hi and bye, guys. I
Okay,
will not be talking
so I'm
anymore.
going to teach you how you can do the screen for the video, and I'm also going to teach you how to do the webcam and both. But I'm not going to show you my face. I do not want to. Oh, and I'm also going to teach you on Roblox. So you have to go to Screencast-O-Matic. That's what it's called. It's right here. So you have to go on Screencast-O-Matic, and then you have to press Start Recording for free. And then you gotta do launch free recorder. And then when it says you got it, it will have it on the bottom. And then it would say screen right here. It would say webcam and then it would say both. And then and then on the bottom it'll say like record with the red thing, but it's REC. And then you can like do all that stuff. And then after you can like put music to it and all that stuff. But you have to buy the edit for this. Okay, now time to teach you how to play Roblox. So if you want to go to your home screen, like if you want to go over here, then you gotta press the home button. If you want to go to your profile, you gotta press that. As you can see, yes, that's my profile. And then if you want to go to your messages to see your messages, you can go there. If you want to go see your friends or like send people friend requests, you can go there. And if you want to change your avatar or like your clothes, then you can go here. If in your inventory, I don't know what you do with your inventory. Let's see. Oh yeah, so it shows you everything you have. It shows you everything you have and how much Robux it was. And then in trade, you can trade stuff to people. And then in the groups, you can join groups or make groups or create groups. In my feed, um, it says all of my friends that I used to have and I still have. Um, no, those are all my old friends and my friends that are right now. They have what their what was it? What their little things are. And then in blog, um, that just says the first part or like whatever tells you. And then in official store, it says heads up for Bloxy, and by clicking continue, you will be redirected to a retail website that is not owned or operated by Roblox. They may have different terms and private policies. Please note that you need to be over 18 to purchase products online. We hope to see you again. Okay, so I'm not over 18, but you can like buy stuff for Roblox, and then for gift cards you can get like gift cards, and then if you want to get premium, you can like get 1,700 Robux a month and all that stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, and also at the top right here, you can go to your games, and then right here is when you can buy stuff with your Robux for your avatar in Avatar Shop. And then in create, you can like create stuff, also
Hey,
create
I'm back.
games, stop. And then right here is when you can buy Robux, or you can go here to buy Robux. Here, if you want to log out or go in settings and help or anything, you go here. And then this is the notifications. And then right here it tells you how much Robux you have. Okay, and then at the search bar, you can check what hobbies you really like and like games that you really like to play in Roblox. Or if you want to try out to see if there's some games. And if you want to go to your chat, it's on the bottom, and then it would show you all of your friends, as you can see. And then if you want to see what your friends are playing, you can go and see all and see what you want to play, or when you go and continue playing and see if you're still playing if the games are still on it, then you can go to see all. Also, your favorites, that all of your favorites, if you want to have favorites, they can go here. Jailbreak is not my favorite. I did not put that. I don't know who did, but yeah.
Gabby, no one else can do it, only you can.
What can I do?
You can only favorite your stuff.
What do you mean?
Only you can favorite your stuff.
Why? Because I'm my favorite?
Sure.
Oh, okay. I don't know what you meant. Okay, and then if you don't have to press here to go to friends. You can also go to friends, and then it'll tell you how much friends you have too, and then you can go and see all. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell to see more videos. Bye sisters.